give me a hug. A proper one. That's crazy. Have a nice one.
Thank you.
Hope you will enjoy your boyfriend.
Thank
A kiss from a stranger. Let me know. Oh, Monique Bingham.
Yo, because I'm.
Hayi. Bekakuvulela umnyango. Eish, konje ninjalo emadodeni ayapahluka la Nkosi. Monique Bingham. Anyway, sanibona. Yathemba ni grand bafethu. Sibuyile, we reacting. Ungazophautha la. What the fuck is going on?
I'm a bad bitch.
Crossing your legs and shit, looking cute and shit. That I have they tell about bad plug. Anyway, what's up, guys? We back. Smoking Street Confession. It's that creepy guy again. Open Gab.
It's
game something. It's the creepy guy. It's a bizarre.
Yeah, it's a guy.
It's the creepy guy. It's the creep.
It's his game BreakerZ.
Yes, the creepy guy.
I know you.
Sibone ingane zase-UP Nkosi yami ukuthi yithini.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you, sir?
I'm alright. What's your name?
Tabile.
Tabile.
Yes.
You look beautiful, eh?
Thank you so much.
Your
Please.
smile. So tell me something. What's a gold digger?
A gold digger, in my eyes,
Yeah.
it's basically like a person that goes after a guy that has money.
Are you a gold digger?
No, I'm not.
How do you know that?
Because I don't go after people's money.
Are you single?
Yes.
Oh, why are you single?
Because I'm not looking for a relationship.
What are you looking for?
Nothing.
So you have no purpose in life.
I do.
What's your purpose?
Bona endabeni ukuthi nizobuka enrotate maqeda ngifuna ukwenza ama video.
It's to worship God.
God?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one,
That
actually.
nigga.
But what if I'm looking for you?
I don't know. Pray. Maybe
should
I'm
pray.
not the one. I'm probably not
But
the
I feel
one.
like you're the one. Give me a 360, actually. Turn around.
When have I fucking lied on this channel? Show me once. Just show me once. When have I fucking lied on this channel? Come on.
Damn. She's the one, guys. She's the one. Okay.
What in those last 2 seconds proves that she's a one?
Iblue nje. Nezinqa.
Angel. Zinzin.
Ayalenga le blue yena ukhona yena. Kodwa into iyalenga.
Hayi ke makusho wena ke since
Ungqoshishilizo wezinqa. Straight.
umlomo ungathethi imali.
Hey, what it do? But angikhulumi ya profit.
Epepeletsheni. Tada.
Okay, tell me something. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm alright. You like this guy?
Which guy?
The guy, the buff guy.
No.
You don't like him?
No.
You don't like this type of guys?
No, I don't like the buff guys.
You like skinny guys?
Yeah.
Like me?
Like my boyfriend.
Oh, so you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I feel like you like me.
You think I like you?
No, I'm kidding. What's your name?
Hulman.
Oh, I can't, bro.
Hulu, I'm Xhosa, that's the thing. Yeah.
Man, great. Am I trying well?
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
So tell me, right? Do you think women are sex keeper?
What?
Sex keeper.
Yeah.
And by that you mean?
Like they decide on when to have sex or not.
It depends.
Mama nga decide ibizwa lento le.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Yazi asinawo amajela anele for lamasimba lawo. We don't.
I told you
We
that.
don't.
Remember when I said that this nigga should, because he wanted to bring his homies over the border. Remember when I said, I told you.
Depends on the type of women you're working with.
I'm working with you right now. Are you a
No.
sex keeper?
I'm celibate.
Are you a virgin?
No.
You're not a virgin, right? So women.
What are we preventing exactly at this point? What are we preventing? Dangerous but safe. I mean, which is which?
generally keep sex. They decide on if they want to give it or not.
I feel like it depends on the energy throughout the day because you can't just request sex whenever you feel like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. A woman needs to be felt like...
No, what I want to ask is like, you decide on when to give it or not. You have the end word. You say yes or no.
I think both genders.
Oh, both gender.
Yeah.
So if I want to have sex right now, I can just tell you, hey, babe, I want to have sex. Let's do it. Even if you don't want to do it, you do it.
No.
I think so.
Even if you don't want.
Dog, this is... Listen, I get what it...
No. Kama NGO wadila ngento kanje.
Yeah, but even guys, if...
Dude, if I'm
fucking tired, I'm gonna... Come on,
foodie.
even guys, if I'm tired, I'm not gonna have sex with you. Like, it's simple. If I'm tired, I don't care how you look. Like, come on, if I'm tired... Like, come on, bro. Like,
this guy sucks balls.
well, I wouldn't go that far.
Yeah.
So why do you guys blame men after having sex?
What do you mean blame men after having sex?
You control yourself. You decide on if you want to give it or not.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what happens with every woman, right?
Yeah.
So
And men too.
no.
Yes.
Men ask, men request.
No,
and women
but-
say yes or no.
Women can also request and
Akaze
ask.
request the boy.
Oh.
Akaze request.
Ufunucelwa.
I don't know that. I don't know what that feels like, but good luck to you.
Hey,
All the
bro.
praise.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You do that?
I'm celibate, so
Why do you guys blame guys?
But blame guys how? With what?
Okay, if it happens that you cheat on your boyfriend, you're gonna say, I didn't know what was happening.
So it's a guy's fault.
Yeah.
I mean, like, okay, so we're not talking about rape, nah?
No, not
Okay.
something like
I don't know. Sometimes, personally speaking,
Maybe we are. Know your audience, Ntombazana. Know your audience.
No, he's speaking to... I don't trust this nigga.
Ingakho kufanele sivule sex registry la eMzansi.
I don't trust this nigga.
Dumb motherfuckers like this.
sometimes a guy can, like, persuade you more. But then again, I don't know. I don't blame guys, so I can't really speak for people who do.
that. Great. I love that. For how long have you been single?
for 10 months.
10 months. What happened?
I just decided to leave. It was disturbing my peace.
Your peace? I don't want to be your boyfriend.
Okay, that's great.
I just want to be that guy.
No, I don't do that.
I'm kidding.
I'm celibate.
No, I'm kidding. I'm in a relationship.
That's good.
Yeah. So okay, I want to give you.
Well, I'm glad you told. I'm glad you opened up and you said that. Like the whole world needed to know that.
Oba,
This nigga is saying that I'm in a relationship.
I'm scared for your girl. Shouldn't have let that know. Because now we have a victim in the chamber, uthulile, locked up in some dark basement. Khaiza ntombazana sokulanda.
Give you a shout out.
Thank you.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yes.
And drop your handles.
re.tha.bile.
Guys, I was busy the whole time. I was supposed to look at the camera, but the face was disturbing. You know, look at that. Look at that. Look at this, man. That's crazy. Have a nice weekend, okay?
Thank you.
Have you ever cheated?
Me? Yes, before I've cheated. But I'm not my current boyfriend, but I have cheated before.
What was the reason?
What was the reason? I had just come to university, you know.
Yeah.
My ex and I were long distance.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Went to the club, met some man kids, and then yeah.
Are you right now in a relationship with like a close person?
Yeah, he lives really close.
Like you can access him every time you want.
I access him anytime. He lives like less than a kilometer away from me.
So for that reason, you never cheat.
I'll never cheat.
Really?
Yeah.
I like your lips, though.
Okay. Thank you.
What?
Okay. Mwah.
You wanted it here?
No.
Dude,
He's the fucking fuck that gives men a bad name.
well, okay. But at the same time, even her, like,
Uthi uqomile uqabulana namadoda.
no, that's fucking weird. That's fucking weird.
Ntombazana,
Also-
uzithande.
I also wouldn't, like, nah.
I don't.
What's your name? You said? Oh
Like,
no.
fuck you and that
Kuluma.
one.
Oh, that's funny. What's the meaning of that?
It's closer for full of joy. What?
Damn, full like I'll be full of joy with you. Alone. No, I'm kidding. Where are you going right now?
I was going to come withdraw money and then I'm gonna go on a date with my boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Can I come?
That crazy. Where are you guys going?
We're gonna go to Roma. And
Stalker. Yonlandela manje lani yakho. Where you guys going? Now
Nale-
uyaphendula.
Nale book.
I get ice cream and then wanna go to Menlyn after and
How
then
old are you?
see. How old am I? I'm 20 this year.
Oh,
Yeah. How old do I look?
No.
Yo, bro, sorry to crush your interview, man. I always crush your interviews. Don't get at me, guys. But I just wanted to say this. From behind the scenes, you guys look good together, honestly.
Right.
You guys look cute.
Give me
You guys comment down below right now. I'm telling you.
Give me a hug. No, a proper one. That's crazy. Have a nice one.
Thank you.
Hope you really enjoy your boyfriend.
Thank you. I'll see you around.
I've said my piece. Ngifuna ukushaya ucomment angiphethe. Angazi ke ngawe. Anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, share the link, suggest it below any video you'd like us to react to. Ungakhohlwa subscribe. Kune button lapha qofe nje subscribe like it.
This guy was on some weird
Angiyayisa lo mfana lo.
He's on some weird
Angiyayisa lo
timing.
mfana. Ngize ngikubone nomuntu engihlobene naye.
Yeah, it's fucking weird.
Ngiyakutshela ke mina, ngiyakutshela ke mina. Anyway,
I'll meet you at the steam.
bye bye.